Hey everybody, Steve here. Welcome to the video, and in this video we are going to make a comparison between the Emax Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle versus the Emax Tinyhawk 2 Race. These two quads are both awesome. Just go ahead and say that, although there are some pros and cons to each. As far as the guts are concerned, both of them are basically run the same innards. You'll notice that the Tinyhawk Freestyle is a little bit larger, and obviously that's going to have an impact on the flight characteristics. One of the things that you're going to notice in the video is that my son and I contradict each other, and the bottom line is that I like one quad more, and he liked the other one quad, and he liked the other one more. All right, so let's get to the bottom line. Where are these things at when it comes to actual flight? Well, the Race, to me, the Race is tighter and in more control. It's more responsive to stick movements, which means it might be over responsive to some. Now keep in mind, I'm talking about the factory settings here. Did not do any PID adjustments to either one of these. We're just flying them straight out of the box. The Race is tighter and more responsive than the Freestyle. Now, having said that, the Freestyle being a little bit bigger, it handles wind conditions better and it stays on course better, if that makes sense. So you can tell the difference flying one right after the other, but if you were just to pick one of these individually and buy it and fly it, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. They handle exceptionally well, even in windy conditions, as small as they are. I'm going to go ahead and cut to some actual conversation between my son and I about our various feelings about either one of them. Go. What were you saying?
So, the Tinyhawk Race is easier to fly.
Yeah.
But the other one feels more fun.
Okay. The other one's more fun. All right. So there's our Race right there. All right, so my thoughts on the Race are, I actually liked it. I liked it better than the Freestyle. But there's one thing about the Race that I don't like, tremendously don't like, and that is that the camera, we taped it, we duct taped it, because you try to, there's two screws that hold it in there. And even if you tighten the screws as tight as you can, after several crashes, it will start to swivel. And this thing was swiveling like crazy. So I'm glad we've got 4 packs with this thing so far, and the duct tape has held. So we'll go with that. But that to me is the one drawback of the Race from, what do you call it, the Freestyle. Where the Freestyle, does the Freestyle have an adjustable camera, or did we just adjust it ourselves? All right, so that's got an adjustable camera too. I like the camera on this one a lot better than the camera on that one. But I'm going to go ahead and say
the propellers are in view of the camera on this one, and they're not in this one.
That's a good point too. I don't like to have the propellers in view. So there's some pros and cons of each. But I'm going to go ahead and say that from individually, they're both excellent choices. They're both excellent buys. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of them. So as you can see, we have a difference of opinion. He likes one better and I like the other one better. Let's talk about how these things do in a crash. I just hit the lamp. All right. I ejecto-seated a battery. As you can see, I crashed the Freestyle squarely into that lamppost, and it came away just fine. As a matter of fact, we've had both of these quads for months, and they have been crashed again and again and again and again. And both of them do tremendously well in crashes. That is it. For what it's worth, he liked one better, I liked the other better. Battery life on both of the quads was about equal. We were not getting very good time at all because it was in the 30s that day, and we were probably getting about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. But I can tell you that flying on a warmer day, you're going to get you probably get 5-6 minutes out of these things, depending on how you fly. So take it for what it's worth. I am not a professional reviewer. None of these things were given to me. I bought them all with my own money. I will include links to where you can get them with your own money. And hopefully, without spending a penny, this helped at least sway you in one direction or the other. Please do me a favor and like, comment, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. I've got a couple more quads that I haven't even mentioned on the channel yet. Got another build that we're going to do. I've got the new Sky Zone goggles that I want to talk about, and just a whole bunch of ideas for more videos to come. So, hope you got something out of the video. If you did, please like, comment, and share it. And if not, I'm sorry. I'm just a regular guy, not a professional reviewer. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. See ya.